Have you ever planted flowers in containers, enjoyed their beautiful blooms for a short time, and then watched them quickly fade away? The colors disappear, the excitement fades, and those once vibrant pots start to look dull long before summer even ends. Now imagine something completely different. A balcony, patio, or small garden filled with flowers that seem to bloom endlessly, week after week, month after month, bringing constant color, movement, and life without the need to constantly replace plants or put in extra effort. The reality is simple. It's not about doing more work. It's about choosing the right plants from the start. In this video, you're going to discover 10 flowering plants that are ideally suited for containers and capable of blooming all summer long with minimal care. These are dependable, proven choices that keep producing vibrant color even during heat, even when care isn't perfect. Stay until the end, because some of the most powerful bloomers are also the easiest to grow, and often the most overlooked. Let's begin. 1. Petunias are one of those plants that quickly demonstrate why they've become a classic in container gardening worldwide. At first, you might choose them simply for their bright colors, but over time you realize they offer much more than just appearance. They are reliable, adaptable, and incredibly productive. Once planted, petunias establish themselves quickly in containers. They spread outward, naturally filling empty space and gently cascading over the edges of the pot. This growth habit creates that full, overflowing look that feels carefully arranged, even if you didn't put much effort into it. What truly sets them apart is their blooming behavior. Petunias don't flower in short cycles, they bloom continuously. As older flowers fade, new ones are already forming, creating an uninterrupted flow of color. There's no waiting period, you're always surrounded by fresh blooms. Modern varieties make things even easier. Many are self-cleaning, meaning they shed old flowers on their own and continue producing new ones without the need for regular deadheading. This makes them perfect for anyone who wants consistent results without constant maintenance. They also perform extremely well in heat. During the hottest parts of summer, when other plants may slow down, petunias keep blooming, as long as they receive plenty of sunlight, or ideally full sun for most of the day. Watering is flexible. While they prefer consistent moisture, they're forgiving if you occasionally forget. They may droop slightly, but they recover quickly once watered. Another strength is their versatility. Petunias thrive in hanging baskets, window boxes, large containers, and even vertical setups. They can be used alone for a bold, overflowing display, or combined with other plants to create layered arrangements. Over time, they don't just hold their beauty, they enhance it. The more they grow, the fuller and more impressive your container becomes, all without extra effort. They don't just bloom, they consistently deliver. 2. Geranium pelargonium. Geraniums, more precisely pelargoniums, are timeless for a reason. Once you grow them, it becomes obvious why they remain so popular. They bring together structure, durability, and long-lasting color in a way that few container plants can match. Unlike trailing plants such as petunias, geraniums grow in an upright, structured form. Their strong stems and rounded foliage create a solid base, while clusters of flowers rise above the leaves, making each bloom clearly visible. This adds height and definition to any container, even if you're growing just a single plant. The flowers themselves are bold and eye-catching. Instead of scattered blooms, geraniums produce dense clusters that create a concentrated burst of color. Deep reds, vivid pinks, soft whites, and even two-tone varieties make them suitable for almost any style or setting. What truly distinguishes geraniums is their toughness. They handle conditions that would challenge many other plants: strong sunlight, high temperatures, and even periods of dryness. This makes them perfect for balconies, patios, and outdoor spaces where conditions can change quickly. Interestingly, they often perform better with less attention. Overwatering is more likely to cause issues than occasional neglect. Their thick stems and slightly succulent nature allow them to store moisture, making them more drought-tolerant than most flowering plants. Care requirements are minimal. While removing spent blooms can encourage more flowers, it's not essential. Geraniums naturally continue producing new clusters throughout the season, maintaining a steady display without constant care. They also serve an important role in container design. In mixed arrangements, they act as a focal point, adding structure and balance. When planted alone, they still create a complete and intentional look. They adapt well to different container sizes and growing conditions, making them suitable for both beginners and experienced gardeners. And as the season progresses, they don't lose their appeal. They become even more impressive, growing fuller and more visually striking over time. They don't just survive summer, they shape it. 3. Calibrachoa Million Bells. If you like the appearance of petunias but want something more compact, refined, and even easier to maintain, Calibrachoa, commonly called Million Bells, is an outstanding option. It's the kind of plant that quietly exceeds expectations, transforming even a basic container into something that looks full, lush, and carefully designed. Once it becomes established, Calibrachoa quickly begins to spread outward and trail downward, forming a dense, flowing shape. Instead of growing upright, it naturally cascades over the edges of pots, making it ideal for hanging baskets, window boxes, or elevated containers where you want that soft, draping effect. What truly sets it apart is the incredible number of flowers it produces. Each bloom is small, but they appear in such abundance that the foliage is often almost completely hidden beneath layers of color. And unlike plants that bloom in cycles, Calibrachoa flowers continuously. There are no pauses or gaps. It keeps producing blooms steadily from early summer all the way through the season. Another major benefit is how easy it is to care for. Unlike traditional flowering plants that require regular deadheading, Calibrachoa is self-cleaning. Spent flowers drop off naturally, and new ones take their place without any effort from you. This makes it perfect for anyone who wants strong visual results without constant maintenance. It performs best in full sun and handles heat extremely well, continuing to thrive even during the hottest periods of summer. As long as the soil drains well and it receives occasional watering, it remains dense, healthy, and full of flowers. From a design perspective, Calibrachoa is highly versatile. It looks beautiful when planted alone, creating a soft, overflowing display, but it also works perfectly as a trailing spiller in mixed containers, helping to soften edges and visually connect different plants. As the season goes on, it doesn't just maintain its look, it becomes even more impressive. The longer it grows, the fuller and more dramatic it becomes, creating a natural cascading effect that feels effortless but looks striking. It's one of the easiest ways to achieve continuous, vibrant color with very little effort. 4. Begonia. Begonias are one of the most reliable choices for containers placed in shade or partial shade, areas where many other flowering plants struggle to perform. If your space doesn't receive full sunlight throughout the day, begonias are an ideal solution. What makes them so valuable is their ability to produce consistent blooms without needing intense light. While many plants slow down or stop flowering in lower light conditions, begonias continue steadily, offering soft, elegant flowers in shades of pink, red, white, and orange. But their appeal doesn't stop at the flowers. Begonias also feature attractive foliage that adds depth and texture to your containers. Their leaves are often glossy, richly colored, and visually interesting, helping the plant look full and appealing even when it's not at peak bloom. This combination of foliage and flowers creates a layered, balanced appearance that makes containers feel complete. In terms of growth habit, begonias form compact, rounded shapes. They fill containers evenly without becoming messy or overgrown, making them perfect for achieving a clean, well-organized look with minimal effort. Another reason they're so popular is their adaptability. Begonias tolerate humidity, changing temperatures, and varying light conditions better than many other flowering plants. Whether placed on a shaded balcony, under a covered patio, or in a quiet garden corner, they remain stable and reliable. Their care requirements are simple. They prefer moderate watering and well-draining soil, but they are not demanding. As long as you avoid overwatering and protect them from strong, direct sunlight, they will continue to grow and bloom consistently. They also don't require frequent pruning or complicated care routines. No constant adjustments, just steady, dependable performance. In containers, begonias create a calm and refined presence. Rather than dominating with bold intensity, they provide soft, continuous color and fullness that lasts throughout the entire season. and that's perhaps their greatest advantage. While many plants depend on ideal conditions to look their best, begonias continue to deliver beauty reliably, even when conditions are far from perfect. 5. Verbena is the kind of plant that quickly demonstrates just how tough and dependable a flowering plant can be. Once it settles in, it grows with steady, almost tireless energy. While many flowers begin to slow down or struggle in intense summer heat, verbena continues to perform, making it an excellent option for containers placed in full sun and exposed conditions. At first glance, its blooms may seem small, but they form dense clusters that create a strong visual impact. These clusters appear repeatedly, building a continuous layer of color in shades of purple, pink, red, and white. Instead of scattered flowers, you get a consistent, vibrant display that feels lively and full throughout the season. One of verbena's greatest advantages is its ability to handle challenging environments. It is naturally suited to full sun, dry soil, and high temperatures, conditions that often weaken other plants. Once established, it becomes quite drought tolerant, so occasional mist watering won't significantly affect its performance. Another key benefit is its long flowering period. Verbena doesn't bloom in short cycles. It produces flowers continuously as long as it receives enough sunlight. Even during the hottest weeks of summer, when many plants slow down, it continues to generate fresh blooms without interruption. It also adds movement and life to your container garden. Bees and butterflies are naturally attracted to its flowers, bringing energy and activity into your space. This turns your containers into something more dynamic rather than purely decorative. In terms of growth habit, verbena is quite adaptable. Some varieties remain compact and upright, while others spread or trail slightly, softening the edges of containers. This flexibility allows it to function either as a main feature or as a complementary plant in mixed arrangements. Care is minimal. Occasional light trimming can encourage even more blooms, but even without it, verbena continues to perform reliably. It's not a plant that demands constant attention. It simply keeps growing and flowering. If you want a plant that maintains strong color, structure, and vitality, even under tough summer conditions, verbena is one of the most dependable choices you can make. 6. Lobelia. Lobelia brings a completely different feeling to container gardening. While some plants create bold and dramatic displays, lobelia offers something softer, light, delicate, and almost cloud-like. It introduces a gentle, flowing quality that balances stronger shapes and colors beautifully. Its flowers are small, but they appear in such large numbers that they form a dense, soft layer of color. Tiny blooms in shades of blue, purple, or white cluster together so closely that, from a distance, the plant resembles a light mist or a soft cloud resting along the edge of your container. One of its most appealing traits is its trailing growth habit. Lobelia naturally spills over the sides of pots, softening hard edges and giving arrangements a more relaxed, natural appearance. This makes it especially well suited for hanging baskets, window boxes, or as a spiller in mixed containers. While older types of lobelia sometimes struggled in extreme heat, many modern varieties are bred for improved summer performance. Not with proper placement, particularly some protection from intense afternoon sun, they can continue blooming steadily for extended periods. If flowering slows slightly, a simple trim can quickly refresh the plant and encourage a new flush of blooms. This easy maintenance step helps keep it looking full and vibrant throughout the season. Lobelia is also extremely useful in container design. It fills gaps effortlessly, visually connects different plants, and adds contrast, especially when paired with bold, upright varieties. It doesn't compete for attention, but instead enhances the overall composition. Care is straightforward. Lobelia prefers consistently moist, well-draining soil, and performs best in partial sun or morning light with some afternoon shade in warmer climates. In containers, it acts as a finishing touch. It softens the overall look, brings balance, and completes the arrangement, turning a simple pot into something layered and visually cohesive. It may not be the most dominant plant on its own, but it's often the one that makes everything around it look better. 7. Zinnias are the kind of flowers that instantly make gardening feel easy and rewarding. From the moment they start blooming, they bring bold color, structure, and a lively energy into any container. And they keep delivering that effect for months without slowing down. Their flowers are striking and unmistakable. Each bloom has a daisy-like form, but with richer, more intense color and a stronger visual presence. Bright shades of red, orange, yellow, and pink, often combined in vibrant mixes, create a cheerful, eye-catching display that immediately stands out. One of the biggest reasons zinnias are so popular is their exceptionally long flowering season. Once they begin blooming in early summer, they continue producing new flowers continuously until the first frost. There are no pauses or gaps, so your containers stay colorful and full throughout the entire season. For containers, compact or dwarf varieties are the most practical option. They grow into neat, dense shapes that fill the pot without becoming too tall or unstable. This makes them ideal for balconies, patios, and smaller spaces where you want strong visual impact without overcrowding. Zinnias thrive in full sun. The more sunlight they receive, the stronger and more productive they become. They also tolerate high temperatures very well, continuing to bloom even during the hottest part of summer when other plants begin to struggle. Another advantage is how simple they are to care for. Once established, they don't need frequent watering. In fact, they prefer slightly drier soil rather than constantly wet conditions, which makes them a great choice for gardeners who want low-maintenance plants. They are also naturally robust and resistant to many common garden problems, making them especially suitable for beginners or anyone looking for a stress-free option. If you want a plant that offers bold color, long-lasting blooms, and reliable performance without requiring much effort, zinnias are one of the easiest and most satisfying choices you can make. 8. Impatiens. If your space is mostly shaded and you think continuous blooms aren't possible, impatiens will completely change your perspective. These plants are perfectly suited for low-light environments, and instead of merely surviving in shade, they truly thrive. In containers placed in partial or full shade, impatiens produce an impressive number of flowers that can almost entirely cover the plant. The blooms are soft in texture but rich in color. Shades of pink, red, white, purple, and even bicolor varieties create a layered, vibrant look that brings life and brightness to areas where many other plants struggle. What makes impatiens especially valuable is their reliability. They don't depend on perfect conditions or constant care. Once planted, they continue blooming steadily throughout the entire season with minimal effort. In containers, they naturally form dense, rounded shapes that fill the space evenly. This makes them ideal for achieving a full, lush appearance without needing to combine multiple plants. Unlike sun-loving flowers, impatiens prefer consistent moisture. As long as the soil doesn't dry out completely, they remain healthy and productive. Even if they begin to wilt slightly due to lack of water, they recover quickly once watered, which makes them very forgiving. They are also highly adaptable. Whether placed on a shaded balcony, under a covered patio, or in a garden corner with limited sunlight, impatiens adjust easily and continue to perform reliably. In mixed containers, they serve as excellent filler plants, adding softness and continuous color. When grown on their own, they still create a complete and vibrant display with very little effort. Impatiens prove that you don't need full sun to achieve a bright, blooming container garden. Even in the shade, they keep your space colorful and full of life. Day after day, all summer long.